Hop into the 2025 Ford Bronco. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 7,500 miles on the odometer. Zoom in on this seriously rugged Ford Bronco, the impressively capable adventure machine that doubles as a comfortable, connected daily driver. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, keyless entry, four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, satellite radio, keyless start, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, Bluetooth connection. Spacious comfort and serious capability blend seamlessly in this stylish Bronco. See for yourself when you take it out for a test drive. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.